How to design a client-facing strategy that reduces alert noise and improves response efficiency. Too many notifications can overwhelm clients, hiding important issues and reducing trust. A smarter approach ensures clients only see what truly matters, turning alerts from a distraction into a trusted signal. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Key principle number 1. Focus on relevance, not just data. The key to reducing alert fatigue is simple. Only send what's necessary. Cut out routine noise and notify clients or teams only when an issue directly impacts business operations or requires action. Route alerts by role so the right people get the right information. When every alert has a clear purpose, important signals stand out instead of getting lost in the noise. Key principle number 2. Categorize by urgency with clear tiering. Not every issue is an emergency. To reduce alert noise, group alerts by severity. A simple model for segregating severity looks like this. Critical issues threaten core systems or business operations. Major issues impact key systems or many users. Moderate issues affect limited systems or functions. Minor issues have low impact and lower urgency. This approach works across Windows and other systems, helping set clear expectations and making it easier to respond to what matters most. Key principle number 3. Provide immediate, actionable context. Every alert should answer 3 things: what happened, why it matters, and what to do next. For example, high CPU usage on SRV-01 doesn't help much, but CPU sustained at 95% for 15 minutes on SRV-01, a counting database server, potentially impacting performance, investigate process xyz.exe tells you exactly what's going on and what action to take. Key principle number 4. Consolidate to reduce noise. Instead of sending dozens of low disk space alerts, bundle them into one daily or weekly summary report. Suppressing non-critical alerts like these helps prevent overload. It also helps to use fewer monitoring tools. Too many disconnected systems create duplicate alerts and extra work. A centralized platform gives you one clear view, connects related events, and turns scattered data into useful insights. Key principle number 5. Customize delivery to the client's preferences. Give clients control over how and when they get alerts. Some may want real-time texts for critical issues, while others prefer a daily email summary. Match these preferences to their role and SLA. When alerts are tailored and respectful of their needs, communication feels helpful rather than intrusive. And, more importantly, builds trust by showing proactive care. A smart alerting strategy turns a major pain point into a trust-building tool. By replacing reactive noise with clear, prioritized notifications, clients see only what truly matters. This leads to faster responses, stronger relationships, and positions your service as a strategic asset. For more information, check out our official blog post on designing a client-facing strategy linked in the description below.